Hello, good morning students. See, our standard 6 subject English topic sentence of kinds. Means kinds of sentence today we are going to learn. Students, it is our grammar part. See students, now we will see these types of sentences. So how many types of sentences here? There are 4 types of sentences. So which today we are going to learn. First is the assertive sentence, second is the imperative sentence, and third is the interrogative sentence, and fourth is the exclamatory sentence. So let's learn about our first sentence, the assertive sentence. Assertive sentence means declarative sentence as well. Assertive sentence and declarative sentence is the same. So students, we see in this sentence, in assertive sentences make a statement. When we are talking about any simple sentence or any we are giving any statement, it is called the assertive sentence or declarative sentence. Always in these words or in this sentence form the subject plus verb plus object. See the students, remember that always the assertive sentence or declarative sentence form first subject, then verb, then object. So just see the example. I watched a really funny film last night. So students, see in this first I is a subject, then watch. Watch is a verb, and remaining sentence a really funny film last night. It is a object. Means it is a assertive sentence. See students, remember that always assertive sentence form like this: subject plus verb plus object. Just see the next examples in that. I finished my history project yesterday. I finished my history project yesterday. So I is a subject and finish is a verb, and history project yesterday it is a object. So it is called the assertive sentence. See students, in this next example also there, the river Snew flow through the city of Paris. So the river is a subject, and river Snew is a subject, and flows is a verb, and last remaining sentence through the city of Paris, it is a object. So see students, here like this sentence given the statement. Means here make a statement, always like this sentence form subject plus verb plus object. So remember that. Then see our next sentence, the imperative sentences. So let's learn about the imperative sentences. Imperative sentences make a command or a request. Commands or request. So students, see like this sentence we see mostly beginning with the verb. In this sentence, how you can recognize the sentence? Like this sentence always comes beginning with the verb. See the here example given. Open the window please. Open the window please. So open is a request. Open the window please. Here given the word please. Please means here which command here? The request. So see the students, it is called the imperative sentence. In imperative sentence make a command or request. See in this sentence next example is there. Turn the page 24. So see students, turn the page 24, yeah 42. This is a command. In many times teacher told you pay attention your book. Means it is a stand up, sit down. Means it is a command. And please open the door. Open the door please. Switch off the fan. Switch off the computer. means it is a called the imperative sentence. So students, see, usually in a imperative sentences the subject is not mentioned, but it is implied. In the like open the window please, here subject is not there, but there the subject you is understood. Students, see, the third sentence is there, interrogative sentence. So interrogative sentence, in interrogative sentence they ask the question. See, like this sentence we can see the questions. So here two types of questions are there. Sometimes we can use this sentence for the asking the WH type questions, and sometimes the verbal questions like is, how. It is called, means those questions answers comes in the yes no type. It is called the verbal questions. So see the students, example is there. What is the time? What's the time? And second is that your house? Is that your house? Is that your pencil? Is that your book? Means here the answer will come the yes no type, yes or no. Means it is called the verbal questions, and WH, which the questions first beginning letters is the WH, means it is a WH type questions. So here see, what's the time? What's your name? Where are you going? What are you doing? Means these types of questions we are taking, it is in the coming the interrogative sentence. This sentence you can recognize easily. Why? Because end with the question mark. So students, see, third one we learn about the interrogative sentence. We learn in that here the coming the questions. This sentence coming like a questions. Some questions are W type questions and some are yes no type questions, means verbal questions. And see the students that now next fourth one is the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences also you can recognize very quickly. Why? Because they are also end with the exclamatory marks. So students, recognize first you remember the marks. It is called exclamatory marks and this is a question mark. So see example, I love cricket. I love cricket. So it is exclamatory sentence. How kind of you? How kind of you? It is exclamatory sentence. What a surprise! What a surprise! What a great surprise! Oh God! Oh, very nice flower. Means here shown our emotions. Where shown our emotions, it is called the exclamatory sentence. So students, here we learn the exclamatory sentence. Here express our strong emotions. Our emotions, you know, the happy, sad, angry. This when we are our emotions we say. Sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are angry. Means that emotions come out. It is called the exclamatory sentence and end with the exclamatory marks. So you can recognize this kind of sentence very quickly because end with the exclamatory marks. And interrogative sentence is a questions type questions. Question end with the question mark. Means you can recognize these types of sentences also very quickly. So students, now today we learn about the sentences. There are four types of sentences. First one, assertive sentence. There always the assertive sentence or declarative sentence form the subject plus verb plus object like this, and it is make one statement. Then second one, imperative sentence. Here make a commands or request. Here always beginning with the verb. So you can recognize this sentence like this. And see the students. Then third one is the interrogative sentence. Here ask the questions. Here we can ask the two types of questions. One is the WH type questions and second is verbal questions. Means the yes no type questions. Fourth one, exclamatory sentence is there. Here express our strong emotions. So it is called the exclamatory sentence, and exclamatory sentence end with the exclamatory mark. So you can recognize this very quickly. So students, remember that many exclamatory sentences begin with what or how also. So what a great surprise, what a lovely grapes, how kind of you. So like this sentence come in the exclamatory marks. Students, this our topic sentences kinds means kinds of sentence. Today we learn here our topic is over. So students, I hope everyone understood this topic. Try to understand and you solve these types of sentences properly means you can understood very well. Thank you students. Students, as you know, now situation is not proper, so take more precautions about coronavirus. Stay home, safe home, be happy and be healthy. Thank you.